Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Zilliqa. My friends, in this video, I'm talking about the reality of Zilliqa. What's going on this time in Zilliqa? What's the current price of Zilliqa? And what is the realistic price prediction of Zilliqa? In this video, I will show you, friends, is there is a possibility to the price pump of the Zilliqa in the future? Is there is a possibility to the price dump in the future? In this video, I will show you, friends. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe to BS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. This time price of the Zilliqa in the market is 0.104588 USD dollar. This time price. On the other side, if we talk about the price change occurring in the Zilliqa, so my friends, I'm very shocked and I'm very angry to Zilliqa that why the price is completely fast down. Why? The last one day, the last 1 week pricing is going down hour by hour, day by day. From the previous last 1 week, my friends, they continue this falls. It's absolutely there's a bad news for all Zilliqa holders. But now, my friends, if you look the latest last 1 hour pricing, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive. That's why I'm feeling better at this time, because I saw the last 1 hour pricing is positive. Anyways, my friends, at this time I really recommend for everyone, as I recommend in my every video, it's time to hold, it's time to hold, it's time to hold. Why I recommend hold? You know what? If I decide to sell yesterday the Zilliqa coins, I'm in the loss today, because now this time last 1 hour they start pumping. So now this time I don't decide to sell, and I decide to hold, and now this time I'm in the profit. And maybe, my friends, they will continue this time for a long time, so absolutely I will get a good amount of profit from Zilliqa. We can't say about the future. Maybe that is the quick jump of Zilliqa, and that is the huge jump of Zilliqa. We can't say about the future, my friends. Anyways, but on the basis of technical analysis, my prediction is that absolutely from the previous last 1 week the price is fast down, so I'm sure that they will continue this trend for 1 week. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Zilliqa? Please also tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.